Hey folks, Tony here with TNT RVing, and today we're out Mineral City, Ohio, Atwood Lake. We got this beautiful lakefront view, and unfortunately, Belle has a slight problem. Our blackout blind is not staying down like it should, and we also get a beautiful view of our neighbors. So Tina said, Tony, fix it. So unfortunately, I don't have a replacement blind with me, and I'm going to bring you in a little bit closer and show you how we could just simply make an adjustment here that'll allow this blind to stay down. We have one on order, and that should be coming in another week or so. Alrighty, so first off, what I wanted to share with you is the blind stop height. So you have the ability to set the height of the blind in relation to the valance, and that is done by adjusting here that gear. So you turn this gear up or down, and that'll set the height of the stop height of the blind itself. So on the other side, there's another gear. And this gear here, let's try to get in there. Right there. This will adjust the spring that's within the blind, and that spring is what controls the rate of the blind raising. So what you do is you just simply turn this in this direction, and that will take all of the spring tension out of the blind, and you keep doing that until the blind now will stay down. Well folks, there you have it. You now know how to adjust your blinds. We no longer have to look at our neighbors and can enjoy this beautiful lake view. So I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, I'd appreciate a thumbs up, a like, and don't forget to subscribe to TNT RVing if you haven't already. And as Tina would say, we'll see you at the campground. And I better catch up to her because she's outside right now enjoying camp.